iMovie is pretty cool for video editing, and the best thing is that it comes free of charge from Apple. As with all free things, certain features aren't inbuilt and one has to work around them. In this short video, I'll be showing you guys how to add a list of items to your iMovie project using Keynote app and the green blue screen effect on iMovie. Hey guys, this is Chooks from Patchwork of Tips. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, do please kindly click the subscribe button and also tap on the notification bell icon so you don't miss an update. I post videos every Mondays or Fridays. Let's get into it. Simply launch the Keynote app. Now click on wide, select the black presentation and then click on choose. Zoom in, fit slide. And let's change the background color to green, this particular green here. Good. Now delete the text input fields, and then let's add a shape. Now you can expand the shape to how big you want your list to look like, which is what I'm doing right now. You position it exactly where you want it to appear. This is very, very important. Change the border if you want to. Change the color as well, and also change the fill color. You can experiment with this exactly to get something that looks palatable to you. So now you add another text field and then drag it into the text box, into the square. And then you type the title of your, the title of your list. You change the font as well when you're done with that, and that's it. And then you add another text field and then type your list. When you're done with all this, you can as well change font size and all of that. Now with regards to the list as well, you have the option of making them into a bullet list if you want that. The bullet list is right down here below. So once your list has been created and you are satisfied with the way it looks, simply go to File, Export to, Images, click on Next, and enter a title for the image. And that's about it, and you're done. You can now close Keynote and then move to iMovie. Create a new project or open an existing project. And then you import your media if you've not done that already, and also import the list that you created. Now to add the list into your project, simply drag it into the timeline and just leave it on top where you want the list to appear. You can drag the edges to kind of create like a transition effect if you want. That's what I'm doing right now. And then you go to the top, click on cut away, select green blue screen effect. Now the green will disappear, leaving just the list alone. And that's it. Let me show you guys. So this is what it looks like. And then your list appears and eventually it fades out again. And that's it. So I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. If it was, do please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Do have a nice day. Bye bye.